Hi friends, welcome back in channel Site Korean. Today's video to the battery rating test in the Realme GT device while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game at 90 FPS and by using the GT mode. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, and during this process I'll try to use the 4G data, not with the Wi-Fi, only with the 4G data and with 50% brightness as well. I'm trying to mention each and every condition what I'm trying to use in the Realme GT. Let's see what will be the result in the Realme GT phone gonna be having. Right now I did charge my phone to the 100%, as you can see exactly 100% is perfectly charged. Let me to clear everything from the background, and I'm trying to use the extended RAM capabilities, and let me turn on the GT mode. So GT mode has been turned on successfully, as you can see it's perfectly on, and even I'll try to show you exactly what FPS I'm trying to use in the display. As you can see friends, a high refresh rate I'm trying to use at this moment. Let me need to turn on the Battlegrounds mobile game, and brightness is 50% set, and charger disconnected, and the stopwatch has been started successfully, as you can see friends exactly. So right now the temperature is of close to 33 degrees, not bad in the front side, and the back side is of 32.4 degrees. On the front side 33.6 degrees, as you can see 34 degrees. And let me need to keep the 90 FPS working. So you need to use the brightness trick to make it work 90 FPS. So this is a 120 Hz refresh rate you are trying to see, so don't get confused. This is not the FPS, this is only the refresh rate. In the graphics I'm trying to use 90 FPS option, as you can see friends exactly. And let me to start the playing with the angle map first. So toward this time I'll try to play only with the angle map, and the brightness I'll try to keep 50%. So let's see friends what will be the battery, how much it can actually decrease during this process of demonstration. That's the one thing. And how is the FPS going to maintain during this time of testing, using with the 50% brightness, and ping value is kind of good, I would say, using the Airtel SIM card, so which is maintaining around 40 milliseconds, so not bad. So not bad in terms of the ping value as well at this moment. So anything below 50 I would say kind of acceptable, because this is an indoor condition which I'm trying to play in the studio room environment completely. So let's see what the how much the battery is going to get dropped. So I'll try to count down the battery how much it's dropping for 30 minutes. So for the first 30 minutes and next 30 minutes I'll try to count down how much it's gonna drop in this Realme GT device. And volume little bit, I did keep the volume, not bad. And you're not getting any kind of haptic feedbacks working at this moment in the Battlegrounds mobile. Unfortunately, I'm not sure when they will enable that kind of haptic feedbacks in this device, because phone has got really very strong haptic feedbacks, but the software UI is not allowing us to use that kind of high level of haptic feedbacks while playing the game. So mostly friends, from 100% to come down to 99%, it's going to take a lot of time, from the 100 to 99. Let's see how much the FPS will be, how is FPS maintaining at this moment. I'll try to drop exactly in the poaching key. That is what most of the users that did request me to drop exactly. And right now we are getting 90 FPS, not bad. And I did feel we should have some kind of floating FPS meter in this phone. That will be really good floating FPS meter, which is missing at this moment in this Realme UI. That's kind of really frustrating, because every time if you want to know the FPS, you need to see from here. That's the one thing. That's a really annoying part, I would say, definitely friends. So now in this case you won't be able to know what is the FPS you are getting unless you take a look at this kind of count. Unless you are swiping and you are trying to see the FPS. Right now let me just see exactly in the bottom, and it's very hard to show you the FPS how much it is getting, we are getting at this moment. It's kind of maintaining 90, not bad. And let's see what is the temperatures within 3 minutes of time. Temperature increased to 35 degrees, not bad. 35.6 degrees at this moment, it's not increased much. So till now no issues, not bad. Let's see how much the battery will be dropping during this time of demonstration. Still now I did not feel any kind of issues while playing the game. Till now it was able to play really fine without any kind of much lag. And right now the time is about close to 5 minutes and 40 seconds of playing till now. Let me try to check the temperatures, how much it can be there. The temperature right now 37.2 degrees, as you can see, within 5 minutes of gaming, the 90 FPS. So I'm trying to play with the 90 FPS and using the 4G data only fans continuously, and battery drop to 99% at this minute, as you can see, using the GT mode. So this first time I'm trying to do this kind of gameplay test with the 90 FPS with the 50% brightness only. So if you increase the brightness, maybe that might be the different case, but with the 50% brightness, these are the results which we got right now. So again, I'll be back after a certain amount of time, then we can actually discuss in more details about the temperature and the gameplay. You can see friends, right now we did reach kind of slightly close to 20 minutes of testing continuously. As you can see, 22 minutes of testing non-stop. And sometimes the 90 FPS will go away if you get any kind of, so you need to again do that brightness trick in this phone. Yes, it's working right now, the brightness. So 23 minutes continuously. Yes. So just now I did get the normal text message. I was able to just scroll down in the notification. So whenever you try to scroll down in the notification, sometimes the 90 FPS will go on to the 60 FPS. Again, you need to use the brightness trick to get that kind of 90 FPS working. So that is the reason you did see this kind of 60 FPS happen before. So till then I was able to play only with the 90 FPS only. So this is my first session of playing the battery mobile continuously in this Realme GT non-stop with the 90 FPS, and with the battery decrease up to 94% within this amount of time, 94% as you can see. So I did not see any kind of frame drops at this point in the Realme GT at this moment. And the temperatures after this 25 minutes of time, 38 degrees, it increased, not bad. As you can see friends, clearly 38.4 degrees, not bad at all. So again, I'll be back after a certain amount of time. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to exactly 30 minutes of non-stop playing at the 90 FPS only, the Battlegrounds mobile game at this moment. And let me try to show you exactly what is the battery percentage. It got decreased during this processor testing. And after 30 minutes, the battery decreased to 86%. As you can see friends, exactly 30 minutes with the 90%, I mean 90 FPS I'm trying to play. And total decreased up to 14% just within 30 minutes of time using the 90 FPS gameplay test in this phone. So I started to see the lot of battery getting drained after 95%. It's drained very fast. It drained very quick. Let's see friends how much more battery I can actually get drained. So that is the reason I thought of doing just for 1 hour, not for half an hour. So it will be a really fair test of doing for 1 hour of continuously gaming. In this way, we'll be able to get to know what are the pros and cons as well. So these are the readings, and sometimes the 90 FPS will definitely disable. As I said, if you try to access any kind of notification, any kind of messages, the 90 FPS will be disabled. Again, you need to use that brightness trick. So don't forget this one. So again, if you use the brightness trick, it will be solved. So I did not feel any kind of much lag at this moment while playing. So I wish they could have added the floating FPS meter, which I can definitely show you at this point. Again, I'll be back after a certain amount of time, then we can actually discuss in more details about the phone. And finally, in terms of the temperatures, is about close to 37.4 degrees. So overall, the temperatures did not increase above 40 degrees. So that's kind of a good sign, I would say. While playing in the Realme GT, I did not see any kind of high temperatures at this point. Not bad. So I'm going to be back after 30 more minutes. Then let's see what will happen with the temperature readings. If you're interested in any other videos, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. As you can see friends, right now it's of close to 1 hour of gaming continuously non-stop in the Realme GT model. And let me try to exactly show you what is the battery drain during this processor demonstration. It drained up to 73%. As you can see friends, exactly 73% got drained during the processor demonstration exactly. So for 1 hour continuously I was able to play 90 FPS. So definitely I did see a lot of battery is draining at this moment. So whenever you try to use the notification panel, the 90 FPS will decrease to 60 FPS. So again you need to use that brightness trick to increase. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and next video I'll try to come up with another complete battery draining test from 100% to 0% in the Realme GT device. And this is a quick review friends, and stay tuned for more updates. And overall for 1 hour the battery decreased by close to I think 27% in this Realme GT device. See you in the next video friends, until then stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.